What's up, tech enthusiasts? In today's video, we've got a major leak to discuss about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The benchmarks are out, and they suggest that this beast might just surpass Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's dive in and break it down. Software and AI features. On the software front, expect the Galaxy S25 Ultra to come preloaded with Android 15 and possibly the all-new One UI 7. Samsung's UI updates have brought plenty of AI-powered features to the table, and we're hoping for more of the same, if not better, with this release. While there aren't many specifics about what new AI features the S25 Ultra will pack, it's likely we'll see enhancements in areas like camera performance, battery optimization, and daily task automation. Speaking of AI, both Apple and Samsung have been pushing the envelope with AI-powered cameras and features that help us manage our daily lives. But it makes us wonder, what more could they add? AI helps plan our schedules, write emails, and even translate conversations in real time. So what's next? Camera expectations. When it comes to the camera setup, don't expect a massive overhaul. According to leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely retain its 12MP front camera and 50MP primary sensor. However, Samsung might make small adjustments, especially to the ultra-wide lens, which could see an upgrade. Interestingly, leaked photos of the S25 Ultra's phone cover suggest that the camera layout could remain mostly unchanged. We could see slightly larger camera rings similar to the ones on the Samsung Z Flip 6, but no groundbreaking redesign here. Design and health features. Design-wise, the S25 Ultra is rumored to look quite similar to the S24 Ultra, but with rounder edges for a smoother feel. We might also see new health and monitoring features, particularly if you're planning to pair it with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Ring, a wearable that's expected to debut alongside the S25 series. This could be a major win for fitness enthusiasts who are looking for more detailed health tracking. Moving on to software, the S25 Ultra is expected to ship with Android 15 right out of the box. And just like the S24, you can expect up to 7 years of software support. That's huge! But what's really got me excited is Samsung's AI upgrades. We're expecting some major enhancements, building on the Galaxy AI that launched with the S24 series. This could include more advanced features like improved health tracking, smarter camera capabilities, and AI-powered productivity tools. With AI becoming such a big deal, it could really push the S25 Ultra into game-changing territory. Camera upgrades. Alright, let's talk cameras. Rumor has it that the S25 Ultra will keep the same 50MP primary and 12MP front camera. While that might sound a little underwhelming at first, we're hearing whispers about possible upgrades to ultra-wide lenses and video quality.